Hello beautifuls. Welcome to LaMeel TV. This is day 16 on the 20 days to manifesting miracles. Today we are talking about stepping out of your routine or your comfort zone. So we all are creatures of habit, and this video, I promise, will be quick. But first, if you are new here, welcome. I am Priestess LaMeel, and I teach and work in the areas of magic, spirituality, and manifesting. We are doing this series. If this is the first video that you've seen in this series, please stop, go back to day 1, because this content is building. It's building for miracles and manifesting those miracles, and you're going to do that best with the building blocks of this content. If this video resonates with you, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you love what you see here today and you want to get updated on all of the other videos and the remaining videos in this series, do not forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification wherever that is. And don't forget to leave me comments. I offer courses on magic, manifesting, and spirituality. I have group coaching. On occasion I have one-on-one slots available. If you are enjoying this content, I would appreciate it if you'd buy me a cup of coffee. That link is below, as well as to my website, LaMeel.com, where you can find over 60 courses taught by me on magic, manifesting, and spirituality. You can also join the coffee chat, where I talk more intimately about being a mother and my relationship, my intimate relationship, as it pertains to magic, manifesting, and spirituality. I'm a mother of 8, grandmother of 2 with 1 on the way, and how all of these things kind of play together in my life, and we go over that in the coffee chat. All that being said, if you'd like to interact with me, have questions, comments, concerns, you can leave them below and or on Instagram, where I am a lot more interactive. So let's get into stepping out of your comfort zone, out of your routine. Why is that important? Because it builds the brain. It changes things. Everything you want is outside of your comfort zone. So you may do something, and you say you're trying to manifest the 5K, you manifest the 5K over this 20-day series, and it's like, wow, you kind of have a new comfort zone. But the minute you want 6K or 10K or whatever it is, that's outside. Every time you want something, it's outside of your comfort zone, right? Because we don't have a need to want what's inside of our comfort zone. It's outside. And so with that, you want to always be doing something that mixes it up, that changes things, that allows you not to get so settled into what it is that you are accustomed to. Why? Because when you become fluid with the changing and the moving and things evolving and not actually being what it is that they said it was going to be, and allowing it to be what universe, source, God, spirit wants it to be for you, to expand you, you have a lot less resistance to receiving your manifestation. Your manifestations will come in with a lot more ease and flow, because you are moving with ease and flow, and you're not so rigid to where it has to be this way, which makes the manifestation take longer, right? So by changing up your routine, doing things backwards, that's why in an earlier video we were talking about our having an alignment practice, right? A daily practice. I don't do it in any particular order. I do it as the day dictates, so that I don't ever have a situation where, like, oh my God, I can't do this, or my day is ruined because I didn't get to do X, Y, and Z. I usually have smoothies in the morning. Sometimes I have smoothie before I go to bed, because that is just what the flow of the day dictate it, and it's okay because I got it in, right? And that's what's most important. I got it in. And the more fluid you are with that, you will find that all day long are opportunities for you to stay in alignment and things to manifest for you. So you're constantly manifesting what you want and stepping stones to the bigger thing that you want. And it's easy. It's like, it's effortless. Changing your routine, doing things outside of your comfort zone creates this effortless manifestation process for you. So tonight, I want you to write down at least 3 things that you are going to do over the next 5 days that are outside of your comfort zone. Wow. And 3 things that you're going to change about your routine. And let me know how that goes for you. Don't forget to comment below. You can also send me messages on Instagram, which I love to get. So love, light, Lux. I love you all. I will see you in tomorrow's video, which is about trusting your intuition. Love you.